Sri Sairam. Welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam. In the previous class, I had told you about jazz and I had explained the poem. Next, I had given some homework. The question answer is also over, that session is over. Now, from the point of view of the examination, summary of the poem is also very important. So, just I have given some summary. You need not use the same words, you can use your own words. The content should be properly covered. Summary of the poem, Jazz Poem 2. Jazz Poem 2 is an extraordinary poem written by Carl Wendell Heinz Jr. So write it in a separate paragraph. Next change the paragraph. This poem is not written in a stanza form with a rhyme scheme. So stanzas are not there, rhyme scheme is also not there. Peculiar poem. No comma, no full stop, everything is not there. Jazz player is an African American and a commanding artist. His outward appearance, that is his stature, indicates that he is not interested in worldly pleasures. His face, head, eyes, shirt, shoes are all peculiar. His alto saxophone is supported from his neck by a wire coat hanger. While playing the jazz, the tone of the jazz tells that he is neither a black man nor a white man. Instead, a preacher of gospel. All of a sudden, he is transformed as a bird and flies away. Then he returns and becomes a black man. So that much you have to write, about 6 to 7 lines or 7 to 8 lines you have to write. The whole content should be covered. So you have to study the whole poem thoroughly. It would be a good idea to answer all the questions which are given after each session. Also the exercises at the end of the poem should be completed. A separate notebook should be kept for grammar, composition and notes. Okay, thank you.